Ibuyile imidlalo elikhokhelayo eningizimu Afrika. Badlali bakuleli bebahlangene lomuhla eKillerney Country Club eGauteng lapho balwa khona kumqudelwano lowatiwa ngekuthi iSunshine to Rise Up. Kuletinyanga letisihlanu letengcile bekungangeni ngisho nasenti lomzaka ke etikhwameni tabo nyalo bajabulile.
You got to feel for the country and the people of South Africa because it's obviously tough times now and it's tough times ahead, but hopefully we'll all pull together and come through this.
Emakhata bewachachatelisa lomuhla ekuseni eJozi kepha ke lokho akukabavimbi ukuthi bachubeke nalomqudelwano.
It's been a difficult time. I'm sure everyone in the country understands it, but yeah, it's exciting to be back out here. Even though we are -4 degrees today, it's going to be fun out there.
Leli gciwane icorona lente kuthi labaphatha tikhwama talabadlala ligalofu bashayeke lidvuma lelikhulu kakhulu.
We've been struggling but we have managed, and so we're lucky out of the world when the COVID is a little bit better now.
Our old caddy passed away in lockdown, which is very sad for me, but obviously try to help his family and take care of them.
Lota unqoba utawufola samba lesingu 600,000 wemarandi. Mina ke ngingumduduzi Ndlovu. Leti tindzaba te SABC ngibika ngiseJozi.